awesome looking day here. We're in Hogansville, Georgia. We're doing a day one workshop here today. We've got about 20 folks here with the city and county. And so we're going to be talking to them about some chainsaws. Do you see what I was talking about? You wasn't quite parallel to the face notch. You see that? Your saw should have been around here, so you had your 2-inch hinge. You have probably 5 inches over here. What pulled it? No, it didn't pull it that way, because if it would have pulled to the box, wouldn't it? So why did it end up on target? Huh? Because Sergeant Howell guided you exactly on target.